Hi, I'm Reece from Ansell Lighting, and I'm pleased to introduce the new Luppa CCT Multiple Wattage Bulkhead. A robust, versatile wall luminaire designed for commercial, industrial and external applications. The Luppa features CCT Selectable technology with a built-in switch that allows you to choose between 3K or 4K, as well as multiple wattage control with 16 and 23 watt settings. Constructed with a die-cast aluminium body and an opal polycarbonate diffuser, the Luppa achieves an IP66 rating and IK08 impact resistance, ensuring durability and reliability in demanding environment. An integrated switch allows deactivation of the LED section behind the eyelid strip, providing energy saving where light is not required. For ease of installation, the diffuser incorporates the gear tray, enabling contractors to fix the base first and then clip the diffuser into position. The base itself includes removable conduit entries, simplifying wiring, while tamper-proof stainless steel screws enhance security in exposed applications. And like all Ansell products, it's backed by a 5-year warranty, giving both contractors and clients complete peace of mind.